Hi, I'm Emily Richards, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious beef Wellington package that everyone will love. Let's get started. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of the oil with butter over medium heat. Add shallots, mushrooms, thyme, and half each of the salt and pepper. Sauté for about 8 minutes or until the mushrooms are browned. Add wine and simmer for 5 minutes or until all the liquid is absorbed. Spread the mixture out on a plate to cool. Wipe out the pan and add the remaining oil. Season the beef with remaining salt and pepper. Add the beef in batches to the hot skillet and brown well on both sides. Transfer them to a rack to cool. Lay the slices of prosciutto on the work surface. Spread evenly with some Dijon mustard, and then take a small portion of the mushroom mixture and place it in the center of the prosciutto. Top with a cooled beef medallion and bring the sides of the prosciutto up over the steak to close it. Unroll the puff pastry onto a lightly floured surface and roll it out to make about a 14-inch square. Cut it into 4 equal squares. Place the wrapped beef medallion, mushroom side down, in the center of the pastry square. Brush the edges with egg and bring the opposite corners of the pastry up and pinch the seams to seal. Place the package seam side down on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Brush it with the egg wash. Roast for about 20 minutes or until an instant read thermometer inserted into the center registers 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to let them rest about 10 minutes before serving. Whether you use beef tenderloin, strip loin, or ribeye, these beef Wellington packages are going to have your whole family asking for more. Thanks for joining me.